Okay guys, let's have a look at this one. This number 4 then. We've got 9x squared plus 12x minus 1 equals 0. Everything's in the right position. So let's just circle the number of x squareds. That will be a. The number of x's will be b, won't it? And the constant term is the value c. Great, so that's the correspondence then. So let's just overwrite the values then in the formula. Here's the formula. So a is 9 then. Let's put the 9 in there and in here. B is 12, so let's put that in there and there. And the C is minus 1. So let's put that in there. So that's the answer then. So let's just read that off. Minus 12. Right, x equals minus 12. Okay. So x equals then minus 12 plus or minus. Now this thing here is 12 squared, yeah? You've got a minus times a minus is a plus. That's 4 nines times 1. 4 times 9 times 1. 4 nines are 36. So you've got 12 squared plus 36. So let's just tap that out. 12 squared. We know what that is anyway, but let's just put it in the calculator. And then we want plus. We want 36, don't we? Equals 180. And now we want the square root of that, don't we? So why don't we just work it out now? Square root of. No, let's just leave it as it is. So there's no need for that. Plus or minus the square root of 180. We can work that out in a second. All over 18, yeah? So x equals then minus 12 plus root 180 over 18. Or x equals minus 12 minus root 180 over 18. Yeah? So let's see what we get in either of these cases, shall we? So minus 12 plus root 80. There's the minus, negative 12, plus the square root, where is it? There it is, of 180. So that's the top number, so let's work it out. Let's work out the decimal. Excuse me. And then divide by 18. So divided by that number divided by 18. And we get that. So let's work out the decimal there. 0.078 to 2 dp. That 7 gets rounded up, doesn't it, to an 8. So it's 0.08. Alright, that's that one. Then the next number, let's just tap that in the calculator. We get negative 12 then. Let's start this one. Take away square root 180. So I'll put that in. Work out the top number. Get the decimal of it. And then divide that by 18. The number underneath. Equals. And the decimal is minus 1.41. Because that's a 2. So the 1 stays as is. So minus 1.41. There we go. There's the two values. So should we just check it for one of them? See if we're okay with at least one of them. So 0.08 then at the end of the test you'd always, if you had spare time, try and check it. So it's 9 times this squared. So 9 times 0.08 squared. Yeah? Plus 12 times 0.08. So it's plus 12 times 0.08. Then it's minus 1, isn't it, at the end? Minus 1 equals, and then SD, 0.017, so that's small. Margin of error, so yeah, I think that's fairly accurate. To 2dp, that looks like that's going to be the answer there. Okay then, that's 4 done. Good, let's go on to the next one.